Hello and welcome back to another Stonksy video. Today we're going to be looking at some big news coming out of BloFin that benefits Stonksy users, how it benefits them, and of course how you can take advantage. But before we get into the video, do make sure you drop a big like on it, do subscribe, and of course check the links in the description. Sign up to BloFin if you haven't already. It's non-KYC and you can create an account with just an email in under 60 seconds. And at the time of recording, we are still running the 20% off the monthly plan on Stonksy, as you can see on the screen. You do come over to the Stonksy website, you put code BOT20 in at checkout when selecting the monthly plan, and you do get 20% off for the first month. So that will take it down to £116, and you do get access to everything with that. The indicator, the oscillator, the Discord server, and of course the trading bots. So take advantage of that and let's get into the video. So if you haven't already, do make sure you come and check out this video that's on screen here. It is new bot strategy here, the second to latest upload at the time of recording, and that ties in perfectly into what we're going to discuss today, because we have released new strategies on our trading bots which are on BloFin, and obviously they tie in with the news coming out of BloFin that benefits users. So after the video, make sure you check that out. I will link it somewhere here, and then you can see for yourself the returns on the bot. It's an open and transparent video showing you the exact strategies that we run on the bot, the returns on them, the profitability, and of course how many trades are successful. So check that out. And yeah, let's continue on. So the news coming out of BloFin this week was that they've now allowed users to follow more than one trader. Now previously, BloFin had limited each UID on an account to following just one copy trade. So what does that mean? Well, pretty much, obviously, if you want to follow multiple copy trades, you had to create more than one account. So if you wanted to follow two copy trades, you had to create two separate accounts and so on. Now they allow all that to be done under one UID, meaning that you can do it all within one account. Now, how does that benefit Stonksy users? Well, currently we are running two bots on BloFin. We're running the high frequency and the low frequency, as discussed in that bot strategy update video I covered just before. So that means that users that have wanted to use both bots and follow both bots at the same time, they've had to create two accounts and obviously be running the copy trade on two accounts. So following one bot on one account and then obviously a separate account for the second bot. Now, with this update, that means that that is no longer the case. Users can follow both bots on one account, meaning obviously it's less work for users. They don't have to create a second account, but also just for efficiency and ease, that makes it a much more smoother process when new people join, because they don't have to then go and create a second account, maybe create another email and have the faff of setting up another password and potentially another 2FA. They can all do it under one account. So this is really good news because it makes the joining process a lot easier for new users. They don't have to create two accounts like I've just discussed. But also for current users, it makes it a lot easier. They can now follow the two bots on one account if they wish. They could, potentially withdraw funds from a second account, throw it all into one and run the two bots on there. But it just gives more freedom. It gives a better experience for users, because obviously BloFin put that at the heart of their business. They want to create the best experience and the best interface possible, and this is a big step forward, particularly for us, because we are one of the only, if not the only, product that is running something like Stonksy is. We're completely unique in the fact that we offer an indicator, an oscillator, a Discord service, and trading bots all under one product. You will not find this anywhere else across the market, not to mention the fact that all upgrades are free, and we never put the price up or charge for any of the upgrades that we have done since post-launch. Now, if you do want to know more about Stonksy, you can do this in a few ways. You can obviously watch all the videos on the YouTube channel. Do make sure you check them out. They're very useful and contain a lot of information about the latest updates, latest news about Stonksy, or just how to utilize them and the key benefits. We also put a lot of information onto the medium, so when we ever do an update or we want to give users more information about how they can better their trading utilizing parts of Stonksy, we throw it on the medium. So as you can see here, the latest one is using the oscillator, so how you can use that. And this does cover a guide on low time frame, high time frame, and a mixture for how you actually enter and exit trades utilizing the oscillator. Well, I'll give you a full guide on that. So do head over to the Medium if you haven't already and check them out. Obviously, watch the latest videos on the channel. But also, I am live every single day on the YouTube channel. Do make sure you come and jump in the lives and you can ask me any questions live on stream and I'll answer them for you. But yeah, do make sure you come and try Stonksy if you haven't already. Like I said, we are still running the 20% off the monthly for your first month. That is right here. And you do get access to everything when you do that. So you will get these bots and only have to create one BloFin account if you don't have one already to utilize both of these bots. And it is this one here that you can do that with. So yeah, do hop over there, bot20 at checkout for that. And of course, if you don't have a BloFin account, create one in the link in the description and get ready to utilize the bots on there. But that's everything for this video. Thanks for joining, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.